Hi guys, this is Sadik from Reverting.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to spoof your PC to a Samsung Galaxy Book so that you could easily install the Samsung apps on a non-Samsung Galaxy PC. So as you might be aware, Samsung has recently rolled out a new update to its Notes app, and as a result of this, you will no longer be able to run the Notes app on a non-Samsung Galaxy Book. So for instance, currently I'm using an MSI laptop, and while I could easily install the app, if I try to open and launch the app, I will get an error message. Let me show you, it will take only a few seconds. And as a result of this, I could no longer use the Samsung Notes app on a non-Galaxy apps. So as you could see, this app only works with Galaxy Books. So I will no longer be able to use this app on my PC. This change has just occurred after a latest update. However, I found a nifty workaround using which you could spoof your PC to a Samsung Galaxy Book and then use all the Samsung apps on your PC. So in this video, I'll show you how this could be done. There are two methods, automatic and manual. In the automatic method, it's quite easy to carry out, but in some cases, Windows might flag the batch file as a virus, which is not the case. However, if you still want to be on a safer side, then you could take the manual route, which is a little bit complicated and lengthy, but will still get the job done. Once we have done the job, I'll show you how to verify if your PC has in fact been spoofed to a Galaxy Book or not. And finally, I'll also show you how to remove this tweak. So on that note, let's get started. First off, I'll show you the automatic method. So in this method, you have to download a batch file from GitHub. As you might be aware, if you use any batch file from online, Windows will flag it as a virus. So that is not the case with this file. I will show you the content of this file as well. But before that, as soon as you go to this file, there are two versions, the Galaxy Book Mask and Galaxy Book Mask No Startup. In the first file, the Galaxy Book Mask, it will automatically run on every boot up. It will just ask for a one-time usage. You have to click on yes, and then on every boot up, you will get just a single prompt, and then it will automatically launch. On the other hand, in the no startup, it will not launch on startup. You will have to manually open it as and when required on every boot up. So you could download the file of your choice. In my case, I'm using the startup file, the first one. So the file has been downloaded, and you might get a warning in some cases. So let's try and see. If you get a warning, then you could avoid it. Let me show you first. So let me open the file using a file notepad or notepad++, anyone will do. So let me open it via notepad. So as you could see, it's not running me. So click on more info and click on run anyway. And as you could see, these are the content of the file. So what it's doing is simply setting up the parameter and then adding the registry value to this location via the registry editor. This is the first value. In fact, it is just changing the system product name to this. This is the Samsung Galaxy Book variant, and changing the system manufacturer to Samsung. It is automatically adding both this value to the registry, and finally, it will then copy the batch file to the startup folder so that the batch file automatically runs on every startup. So if you are content with this, then let me show you how to use this automatic method to get this job done. So all you have to do is simply launch the Galaxy Book Mask, and you will get a prompt. Click on yes. Windows will open the CMD and run a few commands. The entire process takes only a few seconds. In my case, the process has been done, as you might have seen. So once that is done, you will just have to do a restart, and upon a restart, your PC will be spoofed to a Galaxy Book, and then you could easily run the Samsung Notes app. So let me now do a restart, and then I will be back. So guys, as soon as you do a restart, please wait for around 4-5 seconds, and you will see a Windows CMD window pop up. Just click on yes, and with this, your task stands complete. So let's now check out the result. So let me now launch the app. So it's the Samsung Notes app, and let's now see. And as you could see, the app is now running, and let me skip it. So I could now easily use the app without any issues. It's now asking for the notes to run in the background. It's completely optional. So click on yes. You could now make a new notes. Now comes the second method. So in the second method, it's the manual method, and in manual method, whatever task was done with the batch file, we will now do that task manually using the registry. So all you have to do is bring up the run dialog box via Windows R, then type in reg edit and hit enter. This will launch registry, and from here you have to go to the BIOS section, and from the BIOS section you just have to change two values. These are the system manufacturer and system product name. So first off, you have to change the system manufacturer to Samsung and system product name to this value, to this name. I have given both this name over here in my guide, as you could see. Just change them. For changing, just double click to open it, and you could then rename it and click on OK. So change both this value as I have given in my guide, and then restart your PC. As soon as you do a restart, wait for 4-5 seconds, and after that you could then easily launch the Samsung Notes app on your PC. Since in my case I've already used the automatic method, that is why I'm already getting the Samsung and this keyword. In your case, it will do after a changing of the value. So guys, these were the two methods through which you could spoof your laptop to a Galaxy Book. Now if you want to verify, that is the same process of verification as well. You could either run the app and check if the app is running or not, or the second method is quite obvious. Once again, simply go to the same location in registry and check out these two values. If it's showing as system manufacturer as Samsung and system product name as shown here, then it means that the changes have been implemented and your Windows PC is now spoofed as a Galaxy Book, and you could now run all the Samsung apps on your PC. Now comes the final part of this guide, that is how to remove this tweak and go back to stock. So regarding this, it depends on the method that you had opted for. If you have chosen for the automatic method, that is the batch file. If you use the batch file, then in that case you have to simply go to this location. So launch the file manager app and paste this location. Okay, just remove the batch file name from the end, and you have to go to the startup folder, and from there just remove or delete this file, and after that restart your PC. Upon a restart, your PC will be back to stock. On the other hand, if you have used the registry method, then you have to again go to the BIOS method, and from here just rename the system manufacturer and system product name to the original name. That is why I have mentioned in the starting as well. Sorry, I forgot to mention in the video, but I mentioned in the guide that before trying out the manual method, please make sure to note down your original system manufacturer and system product name, so that when you are trying to revert the change and remove the tweak, just rename it to the original system manufacturer and original system product name. Once that is done, please do a restart, and once you do so, all the Galaxy Book tweaks will be removed and you will no longer be able to run any Galaxy Book apps. So let me show you that as well. So I have used the automatic method, and so I have removed the batch file from here. Let me now do a restart, and then I'll be back. So guys, I have just done a restart after the removal of the tweak. So let's now check out the result. If I now launch the Samsung Notes app, as you could see, I am once again getting the same error message because we have removed the tweak. So guys, to round up this video, there are two methods to spoof your PC to a Galaxy Book. First off is the automatic method. In this method, you just have to run a batch file. The benefit is that it's quite shorter and easy to carry out. But on the flip side, Windows might tell you that it's a virus, but I have shown you the content of the file as well, so it's not risky. Next up is the manual method, which is a little bit lengthier and complicated, but it's safer than the automatic approach. Once you have carried out either of these two tasks, please restart your PC and wait for around 5-6 seconds. Once you do so, you will then be able to run the Samsung apps on your PC. Now, if you want to verify the same, you could easily do so by either running the Samsung app or by going to the location of the registry, this location, and the system manufacturer will be Samsung and system product name will now be shown as this, as shown here. Apart from that, if you want to remove this tweak, then it depends on the method which you have opted for. If you have chosen the automatic method, then just remove the batch file from the startup folder as shown here. On the other hand, if you have chosen the manual method, then you will have to change the value of system manufacturer and product name to the original value which was there on your PC. So guys, on that note, I round off this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.